Welcome to the LibreEsva Spotlight series. Today we're going to talk about QuickSand, the included Office and PDF document sandboxing service for LibreEsva email security. I'm your host Samuel, let's jump into it. Here at Libre, we believe that traditional virtual machine sandboxing is no longer as effective as it used to be. With intelligent invasion techniques avoiding these sandboxes, we decided to build a new type of sandbox. That is QuickSand. The QuickSand service dips inside files and quickly analyzes them, not for their malicious actions, but for the possibility of the documents to do malicious things. For example, we don't sit there for 15 minutes waiting for the file to detonate. Rather, we look to see if the document is able to index your file system, does the document have JavaScript embedded inside, or even suspicious macros. We then simply remove the ability for the document to do these things by changing the makeup of the file and cleaning it, but still keeping the contents inside readable and usable. Here, we can see the analysis of a dodgy document. Aptly named, this document had hidden URLs, which could have on-click taken our users to malicious websites. We've since removed these things, regardless of their intent, and passed the file onto the user clean and safe. In this case, this was indeed a trusted PDF file, but even though we sandboxed it, it's still completely usable. To configure the QuickSand sandbox, go to System, Content Analysis, Sandbox Filters. Here, we can switch the service on or off and even enable dry run mode, a non-intrusive testing mode. You can also choose whether or not to clean links inside the documents, what to do with safe active content, suspicious contents, undetermined content, and encrypted content. The sandbox is simple and easy to set up. It is also included in every license of LibreEsva email security. Thanks again for the time. We've been LibreEsva. See you soon.